Hello people, today I will share information about how to prepare multimeter. As engineer, we usually use multimeter when we work. It's like our daily equipment as an engineering. It has many benefits for helping on electronic works. Okay, before we start, you need a screwdriver and your multimeter. So let's begin. First, open your multimeter with screwdriver on the back side with screwdriver. Okay, after you open the case, you will find two batteries and fuse. So let's check it out. The batteries, you make sure the battery is full and installed well like this. Then the fuse, make sure the fuse is at good condition and installed well. So if you see this fuse is at good condition. So okay, the check is done, and we reinstall the case like before. Okay, here, and the screw. Don't forget that. Alright, next. Okay, it's installed well, and let's check it out. So first, we check on ohmmeters to check the resistance of resistor or resistance. Turn the knob at at ohmmeters, and okay, connect the ball of probe, connect each other, and make sure the needle is shows at 0 point. Or if it's not, you can set it on with the small knob in there. Make sure it's at 0 point. Alright. Okay, done. After the ohmmeters, let's check the voltage measurement. Let's check at AC or alternating current electric. Turn the knob at 250. It's alternating current to check 220 volt alternating current. So where is the okay, let's check it out. So here is the socket. It shows the knob is at 250. So just put the knob inside the socket. Okay, let's put the socket in here in the socket. Alright, it's done. And let's see, it shows at 220 on alternating current measurement. Okay, it works on well. Okay, that's all. Thank you, and see you later.